Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and the first store that we have is Walgreens, and we have a freebie with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Face Cleansing Towelettes for $7.99. You have to pay attention to grab this specific one. Here's a little thing. If you go onto the Walgreens app and type in Neutrogena Face Towelettes, everything looks identical, but you're looking for the item with the word Hydro Boost in it. And again, it is confusing because they have like 1,700 different towelettes, but you're looking for this specific one. So it's $7.99. The price in store, I'm not sure, but this is the online price. We have an $8 coupon on a product with the Hydro Boost. So that's why I'm like, you got to get that exact one, because see, it says Hydro Boost. Now, this coupon is valid until Valentine's Day, so you have a little bit to do it. So even if they get cleared out right away at your location, I'm sure they will restock between now and then. And then looking at the math here, if you select a curbside pickup, put that in your basket. The curbside is free. You're going to have to pay tax for this one because that $8 coupon gets reduced down to $7.99, and you're paying 48 cents. Now, if you wanted to do this tomorrow in store, I'm sure you can do that. Use the app to scan to make sure you're grabbing the right makeup wipes, and give it a whirl. And if you're working with a booster like $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20, well, this is a large part of that basket. So it's just a great thing. If your area is super couponed and there's lots of people that are always floating around doing deals, I would definitely put your order in right away. Get a curbside pickup and just get some very inexpensive makeup wipes. And this is Neutrogena, so it's not like, stuff that'll make your face break out 18 different ways. This is a quality makeup wipe, and the coupon is valid till Valentine's Day, which is like the middle of February. So, I mean, make it happen, guys. Load this coupon right away. And I mean, this is such a great deal. And tomorrow I'll let you know the price in store. And if you should put an order in online, and for whatever reason, if your order gets canceled, if like 10 people put orders in at your location at the same time, hey, it's just the breaks. Don't forget, you can always call back, or you can always get in touch with customer service with a call or a chat and say, hey, my $8 coupon is gone. Can you help me out with that? My order got canceled. And they will have to give you $8 in Walgreens cash. That happened to me with something last week, some Gillette kit, and they just threw the coupon value onto my store card. Don't be shy about that, because they should rectify that, especially because a lot of times with curbside pickup, they will say, we're going to process your order. And then at the last minute, the next day, they're always like, sorry, we had to cancel it. Good luck with this one, guys. It is really fantastic. Okay, guys, and last thing I want to talk about is Meijer, and I made a mistake in my video earlier this morning. I said that this was a Saturday-only deal for this case of paper towel for $7.50. Well, it's not a huge mistake, but it is a mistake. This is actually going on right till the 31st, to the end of the month. So you can get a case, which is 30 rolls of paper towel for $7.50. So, I mean, that is crazy. I guess I must have misread a tag or something like that. Who knows? But this is just a fantastic deal, which is buy one, get 3 for free. So you're paying $1 and getting like 4. So they're a quarter each. I suggested to do a curbside pickup for this as well, with the Meijer app, and just go and pick it up, because some stores will have to be like, you can only buy two paper towels per person. So if you're trying to fill up your cart with 30, that's why I suggested to go for the full case and do that curbside pickup with the Meijer app, and just do it that way. It's very easy to figure out. I did this a couple days ago, and they just brought the entire box to me, and it was so easy. The young man who helped me out was terrific, and I got like 30 paper towels for a construction project in the basement. We will probably use all of them. I might have to order some more because we've been going through them like crazy. And the one last thing I wanted to talk about before I take off is Christmas clearance. So Meijer hits 70 today, which is the 2nd. And I think next Saturday, which is the 9th, it will be 90% off. If you look at the tag really carefully, I zoomed it in for you guys. It says that the 70% is from the 2nd to the 8th. So I'm thinking on the 9th, we're looking at 90% off of Christmas merchandise. And for whatever reason, if you are in the Midwest, and Meijer is specifically in the Midwest only, and there is no sister store, so if you're trying to go to Fred Meyer, it's Meijer. There's no sister store or affiliation. And it's predominantly in the Midwest. So just Google your location and then Meijer, if you have it or not. People aren't going too hard on Christmas stuff over there, and I don't know if people are just Christmas burned out or what it is, but if you love all things Christmas, you might be able to find some real gems next Saturday. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.